Hey guys, so today we're talking about zone cleaning, and I know going to the website FlyLady.net, it's so overwhelming. There's just too much going on, and my ADHD brain, it does not handle all of that chaos. And this is supposed to be easy, and it is, but you have to kind of weed through a lot of stuff. So my goal is to break it down and make it really simple so that if you only have 5 or 6 minutes to get it all in a nutshell, you're in the right place. Piece of a week that's at the end of the month that you don't know what to do with, that's going to be your zone 5. And the good news is zone 5 is your living room, which we clean every week when we're doing our weekly home blessing. We don't move things, we don't deep clean. So this time in zone 5, we are going to deep clean the living room. So usually I'll start with my cobwebs. So I just get my really long extension handle flexi broom or my regular broom, and I just go around the tops of the crown moldings and the tops of anything that's high up, like speakers, the fans, things like that, and get all of those cobwebs out. Now I'll give you a tip, okay? This breaks the rules, but it works so much better for me. Because our week is split zone 5 a few days and then zone 1 starts, while I have my extension handle thingy out, I do all the areas for both zones, from my living room, and then I'll walk to my entry and I get them out of my entry, then I walk to my dining room, I get them out of my dining room, and I'll be honest, that only takes me like 3 minutes. It's not like a 15-minute task. So once we do that, we check it off your list and we move to the next task on the list. Now I'm following the list for zone 5, but if it's something that's for all of the zones, I just do it. It makes life easier to knock a couple of things out. So as we go along, I'm gonna answer some of your frequently asked questions. So make sure that you stay to the end so that you get all the information that you need to completely and totally understand what this whole thing is about. Then basically I'm gonna move on down, and now I'm going to do a really good dusting. So I'm gonna take everything off the shelves, I'm gonna clear out bookcases, I'm just gonna really deep clean and polish things.
Way back a year ago.
The most important thing is set your timer. We can easily start deep cleaning and feel like we have to finish the room in one day. We are not supposed to be doing things all day long. That is not the plan. You don't want to clean for 8 hours straight, neither do I. Alright, so to finish up zone 5, that's the living room, we're going to do a deep clean of the couch. So we're going to pull those cushions out, we're going to vacuum underneath and inside and clean the couch if you need to clean it. I have a leather couch, so this is when I would condition my leather couch, and I do this once a month. And then after I get done with that, then it's time to do floors, move all of the furniture. This is where you're going to deep clean the floors. Now, vacuum the floors, sweep them off the floors, whatever you normally do. And then you can also, if you still have time during the week, you can do a shampoo of the carpets. Now, I'll be honest, I usually don't do that once a month. I don't have small kids. I don't see the need for it unless it's winter and we've had a lot of rain and the dog's been in, and then I might have to deep clean it a little bit more.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago.
So what exactly are the zones? Well, the zones are just kind of your layout of your house broken into 5 little chunks, so that each week on the calendar, you know exactly what area you're working on for your extra deep cleaning. So it's not overly, difficult, and a lot of the YouTube videos that I saw kind of got confused because they thought it was very limiting, and I don't find it to be limiting at all. If I don't have a room that's listed for that zone, I just add another area. So when she says you're gonna do a bathroom, I take that to mean all the bathrooms outside of my master. When we're talking about things, don't overanalyze it. Don't get lost in the details. Like I said, make it yours. Don't overthink it, and don't get stuck. looking for a reason why this won't work for you, because it will work for you. You just have to customize it. And it's completely okay to take her suggestions and tweak them and plug them into your life so that it works. So don't get lost there. So when I'm in my dining room, I do all the things that just need to be touched up. So I do the cobwebs, I do the curio cabinet, I do the hutch, and you know, just get it all cleaned up. I'm also gonna make sure that I pull the chairs out, I clean the chairs and get them dust free. Make sure that you stop over here and check out that shiny sink video, because if you haven't already started, that is your first day, first step. And so go there first, and then when you get your daily habits and everything set, you're gonna be ready for zone cleaning. But until then, just put a pause and check that video out. Remember, if you have a question or a comment, please put it down below. Let me know where you are and what are you struggling with. I will see you guys next Saturday. Be blessed, be bold, and I love you. Have a wonderful week and kiss your loved ones. Bye.
I thought I would never be